Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Let's begin cooking. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the potatoes in cold, salted water until soft. Unroll the pastry on a clean surface. Drizzle with melted butter on each of the 5 sheets. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Cut circles that will fit into the cupcake pan. Not easy to cut this phyllo pastry. It's dry. Place the cut pastry on top of each hole and push it in with a glass bottom. It will form those nice shapes. Bake until lightly golden. Peel the cooled potatoes and cut them into cubes. Place the potatoes into a food processor. Add salt and pepper, or you can use a potato masher or anything to mash your potatoes would work. Then add melted butter, milk, grated cheese, and mix until smooth. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. That will grow the family. Cube the chicken tenders, add salt and pepper. You may add garlic and onion powder, that's optional. Add ground cumin, smoked paprika or any paprika, oil, rub the flavoring in. Here I added fresh garlic because I didn't have garlic powder. Now heat the pan until smoking hot. Add oil, and brown the chicken. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you enjoy it here. Thank you so much for coming. Now add chopped bell peppers, grated fresh tomato, and its juice. There. Drizzle lemon juice and stir. Allow the tomato juice or all the juices to be absorbed in, then switch off the heat. Now we're assembling everything. Fill the pastry with mashed potatoes, followed by the chicken, and top up with grated cheese. Bake until the cheese is melted. Please do me this favor, press the like button, leave a comment below, and add more value to this video. I would truly appreciate that. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.